Welcome to the in front of me Doogee S86 Pro, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. I just tapped my face recognition a couple of minutes ago here, and now we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the face unlock feature works here so fast. I just can unlock the device, okay, just in 1 second, so that's a good result for the face unlock. I'll just try one more thing here because I set up my face recognition here without the glasses, and now I'll wear them and we'll see does it works with the glasses. So as can you see, we can also, when I wear the glasses, we can unlock it without any problems here. So as can you see, everything is good here, so I suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the PIN code or passcode. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.